What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I got another cash out for y'all. This site is on Plenty Benjis. The link to it will be in the description. Sign up today with the link in the description. Just to show you real quick how I make money with it. You can see here when you click on earn, all the different ways that they have you can make money. You can get paid to click ads. You can do daily surveys. A lot of different survey providers that they have here. Click on this to show you different ways that you can make money with the different surveys. You see here the survey time, 46 cents for each one of those. Let me see if I can find it. I'm just kind of scrolling down, showing you the ones that I do. I'm gonna click on the next page to show you. I think it's the third page right here. Yeah, your surveys, US, Canada, UK, 75 cents each. The easy surveys, you get 25 cents. And look, the credit in time is 48 seconds, and this offer is completed 5 times just today. So, you know, people are doing it. You know what I'm saying? Survey provider here, your survey is 60 cents. The express, your surveys, express surveys, these surveys take like 5 minutes. You're going to get 25 cents for each one that you complete on that. You know what I'm saying? So the thing is, on this site, I pay attention really to the surveys, and, you know, your surveys are very, very good, especially this express survey, 25 cents each. You really can't beat that. So I'm gonna go back up top, and I'm actually show you some of the ways you can cash out. So I'm gonna click on cash out up here, go to cash withdraw. Some of the things you can get here. They have Skrill. All you need is $1 to cash out with that. You can see here my balance, I have $5.96. You can get a Tango gift card. I can get a virtual Visa gift card, $5. I can get Amazon, things like that, Bitcoin, and I can also have a check sent to me, sent directly to my house by putting in my address and all that stuff. But you see here, I have $5.96. I'm going to cash that out. I do have a Skrill account, so I'm going to cash out this way. I'm going to put in all my information real quick. All right, so you see I cashed out. My withdrawal has been added to the pending list. So now I'm back at zero. So now I gotta, you know, of course, build my account back up, get some more money in it. But I showed you the surveys. They have offer walls you can do as well. Different offers, you know, ad send, ad work, offer Turbo. That's a really good one. They have a second one, ad click, my ad wall, payment wall, skip ads. You basically just get paid to click on ads on these different survey walls. So, I mean, these different offer walls. So there's a lot of money into it. You know, you got to just pay attention to what works for you. Whether it's the surveys, whether it's the offers. I mean, combining them both really makes a, you know, a big difference. If you go over here to the shout box, I always love when a site has a shout box, because people over there, they're showing you what everybody's doing in order to make money. That's me right there. I just cashed out $5.96. But, you know, just scrolling up,